Thank you, Philip. Hello, everyone. First of all, let me express how happy I am to come to Japan to present our cars to you, the A7 Sportback and our flagship model, the Audi A8. The first project I ever worked on as a professional car designer was the Audi A8, so this experience is especially exciting for me. My name is Amarvaya, exterior designer at Audi Ingolstadt in Germany. I have been working there since the start of the A8 project, and I can tell you from my own experience how much hard work went into creating both of these fantastic cars. Allow me to start by explaining the new Audi design philosophy. Our design chief, Mr. Mark Lichter, gave us the task to develop the next generation of Audi Quattro DNA. If we take a look back at the history of Audi, the most important moment which launched Audi as a world-class automotive maker, it was, of course, the Audi Quattro. We decided to take this decisive car and put the design DNA into our road cars to make a progressive step in our design language. Quattro, as you know, means four-wheel drive. To express this, we take the classic box arches of the Quattro and we reinterpret them as muscles over the wheels, and this is the very basis of our design. The second key element is that we try to balance the cabin in the center of the car, rather than backwards or forwards, and this strengthens our identity even more. Simple and authentic to Audi, this is where we began our research into both models. The Audi Prologue concept car perfected this approach to our design direction. It was a clear indicator to the public about how our cars will be sculpted, and you will find elements from this very concept car in our production cars. So let me speak about each car in a little bit more detail. The A8 is our flagship car, so let's start here. We thought that the new model should inherit the qualities of Audi heritage and also make a step forwards in design. Sophistication, elegance, progressiveness, and sportiness. These were our main targets for the car. We wanted the A8 to feel majestic and set new levels in the luxury segment. The most important feature of any Audi is, of course, the Audi single-frame grille. It is our identity, and on the Audi A8, we have changed the proportion to be much wider to express power and status. It has to be clear from 100 meters away that this is the new face of Audi. You can see in the proportions of the car that at the front we kept a confident and upright nose, and at the back a very fast yacht-like tail, giving the car a forward momentum. We create a very fast roofline while retaining rear headroom in the back seats, giving the car an almost coupe-like feeling. The muscles over the wheels add power, and we deepen the shoulder line to create a much more visually settled car on the road. I believe we were able to refresh the A8's appeal and let the masterful technicality of the car be fully expressed. So let's take a look at the Audi A7 Sportback. The new A7 Sportback embodies the Prologue concept car even more due to the low, sporty, and expressive proportions. The Quattro muscles are much bigger, and the roofline is extremely fast, typical of Audi DNA. The A7 Sportback is a very good example of how we designers push to get a 1/3 window and a 3/3 body proportion. It helps us to create a very athletic and dynamic feeling. However, its usability and practicality are not compromised, as we are able to use the rear seats and at the same time have a very large opening hatchback. With a very confident look in the eye at the front and a wide, sophisticated light band at the back, the car also has a modern appeal which belongs in such a segment. The A7 is truly a masterful expression of combining sport, usability, and luxury in one package. Now let me show you how Audi's interior designers have developed a new experience in the interior of our cars. The A7 and A8 are masters of tranquility and reduction. They receive the driver and passengers with a new spatial experience created by architecture that seamlessly blends all the car's systems with large expanses of clean surfaces. In the A8, every element is horizontally orientated to express space and width, conveying the atmosphere of a spacious luxury lounge. And in the A7, the high-resolution screens are focused towards the driver, offering optimum position of control. Haptic touch has also been integrated into our screens, which give the user physical feedback as they apply pressure to the screen, reassuring their actions. In my personal opinion, with the combination of technology, materials, logic, and craftsmanship, Audi have once again set the bar for the best interiors in the world. I would like to close my presentation with a brief explanation about how our light design and technology have developed. In the A8, we have optional full laser lights at the front and in the rear OLED technology, meaning that the A8 currently has the best lighting technology on the market, increasing visibility and safety for everyone on the road. At the front, the light graphic is designed to underline the laser-like technology, which is also highlighted by a blue detail. The lamps are the most advanced Audi has ever created. The rear lamps are connected by a light band, which allows us to create a new form of expression. As you can see on the video here, we were able to create an animated sequence for the coming home and leaving home functions. The A7. The A7 shows our new light philosophy with a strong character enhancing the eyes of the car. 12 light segments are vertically positioned next to each other, separated by vertical narrow spaces, conjuring up an association with the symbolic 0 and 1 of binary code. It is the digital eye of the Audi A7. You can see in this video just how effective the animations are. Audi have set a new level in terms of expression of light and cutting-edge technology. The fluidity, the precision, all the actions which are required to perfect the lighting communication, Audi has been able to do. I truly believe that Audi lights are amongst the best in the world. So I would like to end my talk now. It has been my absolute pleasure to present our work to you, and I look forward to meeting with you all later. Thank you very much. Arigato.